Hello and top of the morning to you. Today on Jim's Kitchen, I'm celebrating two holidays. I'm celebrating St. Patrick's Day and I'm celebrating today, Pie Day. I'll be making a St. Patrick's pie. I'm making a chocolate pudding stout pie with Irish cream on top. I'm gonna start with a box of instant chocolate pudding. I'm using the chocolate fudge kind. And to that, I'm adding 1 1/3 cup of whipping cream and 2/3 cup of stout. Of course, I'm using Guinness. I just love Guinness. It brings back fond memories. Whisk that up. I'm gonna pour this into a prepared pie shell. Then I'm gonna let it chill in a couple hours in the refrigerator. Time to make the Irish cream whipped cream. Grab a chilled bowl and add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Whip it until it's about to firm up. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of Irish cream liqueur. And then whip it up again. I'll add a little food coloring too. It's the holidays. Spoon it on the pie. Add a little chocolate and then it's ready to serve. Chocolate pudding stout pie with Irish cream whipped cream. Let's try it. I love it. We've got all the flavors of Ireland in here. Fantastic. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. Give this a try. It is phenomenal. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitchen. Take care. What do you call a big Irish spider? Patty long legs.